Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about order management. In this video, we will see view and update order, download invoice, shipping label, job ticket and file, how to modify order, and how to generate payment request. So first of all, just go in the admin side, orders, list orders. So here you can see all the orders which are placed by your customers or placed by the admin side will be listed down over here. So here is the order ID, customer name, payment and shipping methods, order date and due date, total amount, and the order status. If you click on this arrow button, you will be able to see the artwork preview and the product name and the file name and how it was uploaded, like it's done by the design studio or uploaded the design. And here you can also see the quantities as well. So there are two options. You can directly process the order from here, just clicking on this pencil icon. You can update the order status as it will go each and every time. You can update the status from here. If you want to change the order due date, you can change it from here. If there is any shipping method you want to update or you want to change, you can do that from here as well. And whatever update order status you are updating, if you want to notify the customer, there is a checkbox by default. If you don't want to notify the customer, just remove this one and then click on save button. So that's how easily you can update the order status from here. Apart from the order status, if you want to see the complete detail of the orders, just click on action, view and update order. So here you will be able to see the entire details. You can see the artwork over here, the product name, file name, all the additional options, quantities, and the pricing bifurcation. Then there is a shipping and billing address is also given over here, and there is a order history you can see at this place. You can update the order product status by clicking on this button, and you can update the order product status from here. Then order shipment, or through order shipment you can generate the shipping label. So if I click on edit, so here you can configure the package. Let's say there is an option of order wise or product wise, but right now we have just one product. So we have just created this one and just click on save button. As you will click on save button, you just need to configure the product weight, the package weight and the package details, and just click on save button. So shipping label will be generated automatically. So here it's already previously generated. So you just need to click on download shipping label and it will be generated. So how easily you can generate the shipping label from here. Then order notes. So there are multiple kind of notes which we are giving. You can put any, you can select any of the category and you can provide the notes. Apart from this, if you want to cancel this order and you want to refund the customer, so just click on refund button. So there are total 4 kind of refunds available. Order cancel only. So in this one, you are just canceling the order. You are not giving any refund amount. Then manual refund. So you are canceling the order from here and giving the refund amount manually to the customer. Then the third one is refund via coupon. So you are just creating a coupon code and giving it to the customer. And there is a fourth one, which is not showing over here. If the customer has made online payment and the API has the capability to refund it into the bank account, if the payment has been made through the online, then it will be showing over here, the fourth one. Also, you can do the full refund or partial refund. So you can put all the details over here and you can manage the refund part easily. So how you can see how you can process the order, how can you check all these details. So this is entirely how you can see the order and how you can process the order. The next step is how can you download the files, invoice. So there is an action button given. The same action button is given at the outside as well. On the, if you click on list orders and if you click on action, so there is a download invoice. Just click on download invoice. The invoice will be downloaded. I just show you. So here is the download invoice and you can see the invoice. Then the same way you can download the file, the artwork, which you have to print. Then the download shipping label, I have already told you how to create it from the inside, or you can create the shipment label from here as well, and download job ticket. So that's easy. So all these options are available over here. Also, let's say there are multiple orders if you are getting in a single day and you want to update in the bulk, or if you want to take some action in bulk. So what here we have given a checkbox. If you click over here and there are action buttons given, let's say you want to download order, download invoice, archive the order, download job ticket, download shipping label. So whatever orders you want the common action, you can just select multiple one and take the action from here. Let's say download order and submit it. So all your orders will be downloaded. Let's say if you want to archive these orders, these all orders are done, just click on submit button. Also, let's say if you want to update the order status in bulk, so there is a bulk order update. So just click on bulk order update, and there are three easy steps: download file, order wise or order product wise. You have to select and download the file, fill up data and help. So you click on next, and here you can see all these things available over here, which you need to use in the downloaded Excel sheet. And in the third step, you just need to upload that Excel sheet which you have just filled up and just click on import button. That's it. So this is the entire order process you can manage. Okay. Then there is one more interesting part which may help you to not to miss any of the delivery date. So there is a job board, which is very good feature. In this job board, you can see, let's say past orders. If there is any order of 14 March, yesterday, today, tomorrow, so there is no pending order it is showing. If there is any order which has to be delivered on 18th of March, the order ID will be visible over here. If it's tomorrow, the order ID will be visible over here. So you can use this job board to miss any of the delivery date. Now coming to the next section, that is if a customer asks you to modify the order, then also we are giving the same button at each place. Let's say if you click on action, there is a modify order, just click on modify order. So in terms of modify order, you can modify the design. You just need to click on modify design button. So you can upload the new files over here instead of this file, and also you can ask for approval from the customer if you are updating any new file. Then if you want to change any of the any of the additional options, as well as if you want to update the size, if you want to update the quantities, so any of the changes you can make it over here. Also, if you want to add a new product to this particular order ID, let's say customer has just placed one order and you want to add one more product, then also you can add new order to this order ID. So that is also possible. Just click on add new order. So here you can add the new product as well. Then suppose if the customer has asked you for 1500 500 quantity and he wants to update, instead of 500 quantities he wants 1000 quantities now, so the price will get changed. Okay, so let's say right now the price is 145 and the price has changed from 145 to 165 or 170. Let's suppose 170. So there is a $25 cap is coming. So $145 has already been placed, already been given to you by online payment. Now you just need to collect the remaining payment. In that case, what you can do, you can generate a payment request. Just click on payment request button. So the order ID is 828. Here, as you will click, all the details of the order will be automatically visible over here. And let's say you just need to collect $25 of amount from the customer, and just click on the save button. You can see everything is available over here, and just click on save. And here you can put the remarks as a modification charges. Just click on save button. As you will click on save button, the payment request has been generated. If you click on payment request, you can see the latest payment request which we have generated. The customer will get the email, as well as he will log in into his account, he will see the generated payment request as well. Under my account section, under orders, so there is an order 828. This is the order 828. If you click on view details, so here is one payment request generated, and customer can either pay now or click on reject button. So in that way, customer can make the payment directly from here. So this is all about how you can view the orders, how you can process the order, how you can modify the order, and how you can generate payment request. If you have any queries and concern regarding this, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.